This is Ms. Rainforest project. Mia, I'll need you to stay there to demonstrate you see this butterfly down there waiting to be eaten. Up here, the bird waiting to eat it. Mia, let's see what happens next. Goodbye, butterfly. We have our bird zip line. More butterflies and insects. An ant hill right there with some ants. Centipede. Colorful rainforest frogs, not frogs. Frogs. Oh, how did I forget spider? The spider web.
The monkey.
Monkey hanging there from that vine. This bird with nest. Yes, indeedy. It's impressive. What do you have to say for yourself, artiste? Any last words?
Bye.
That's a good last word. Bye for now.